I'm going to do the one pump, one dip makeup challenge to see if I can do my whole face. Join me, let's try it. I'm using the Blighlighter. Let's go in, there's the one dip. I'm gonna kind of put it on both and then blend to make sure I get enough coverage on each eye. Okay, I can only use this now. One pump, that's it. One wiggly swipe. Okay. One pump. I'm gonna try to make this last through the whole face. I'm using the Pure 4-in-1 Selfie Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage. I'm definitely a believer of less is more, and I think this is proving you don't have to use a lot. Concealer is a great one because everybody uses so much, so the one pump, and I'm just gonna put a couple little dots underneath the eye. Everyone is using way too much concealer. They're putting huge triangles underneath, and when you get older, honey, you're gonna have texture and that stuff's gonna build up. So less is more. I'm gonna do this and we're just gonna place it. See, I mean, look, that's why I created this, because you don't need that much. I think I passed. I like it.